Hi guys. Well, after the house blew up, we got like really irritated, and we got really mad. So, you know, like how people get stressed out and stuff because of war, bombs and stuff, whatever. Yeah, we are. Well, Amy had a great idea. She said we should go to California, Legoland, the beaches, water, all that crap. Yeah. Well, so we're going to the airport, and we're gonna get our car. Later. No, shut! Okay, we're at the airport, and so we're gonna get ready to go. Flight 543 to California. That's us. Let's get in the airport. Oh, thank you for choosing American Airlines. Today's in-flight movie will be Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. We're lifting off in 5, 4, 3, 2. We have landed. Repeat, we have landed. Well, we're here. Yeah, our baggage is at the hotel, but we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, we're at the beach. We're just gonna, like, hang out, stuff. Look at the penguin. Run. Yeah. Woo. Life doesn't get better than this. Hey, Amy? Yes? We need a guy. Yeah. We need, like, a boyfriend or something. Seriously. We are stinking rich. Hey girls! Oh my gosh! You are so hot! You wanna see our money? Yeah, sure, show me it. Amy, press the button! Beep! Whoa, guys! You are filthy rich! Yeah! Hey, what's that up in the sky? Oh my gosh, bombs again! Oh my gosh! My boyfriend! No, my boyfriend!